Hello, welcome. My name is Christian Struck. I'm Senior Product Manager at Lawo for Audio Infrastructure, and we're here at the IBC booth in Amsterdam, showcasing a bunch of new things. I'm next to our beautiful Crystal workspace controller setup, where you have a combination of a crystal panel and a workspace showing you audio parameters and video parameters. But that's not all we're going to talk about today. Today I would like to steer your attention to something we have added to the Home Apps environment, which is the Lawo Audio Shuffler. It's basically an audio router, a shuffler that comes in different sizes, and it's purely based on software. It runs on the CPU platform of our Home Apps environment. And it's basically something you can easily set up from the home screen, home or management layer that kind of orchestrates all the apps and the processes that we host in the Home Apps environment. Let me show you how it works. So it's a very simple task. I'm just setting up a new application. I'm selecting the application type that I want to use, in this case the audio shuffler. It comes in different sizes. So you can have an audio shuffler that has a 1000 by 1000 matrix, and it can go all the way up to a 16,000 by 16,000 signal matrix with up to 2048 senders and receivers. So it's a pretty beefy audio shuffler. The audio shuffler comes with inbuilt processing, so it has gain on the input and on the output side. It has a polar pattern switch, and it has up to 5 seconds delay on every output. So it's easy to control, it's easy to integrate, and it uses the very same infrastructure that we use for all our other processes in the Lawo portfolio, be it audio, be it video, be it control. So once you've created your shuffler app and you are about to start it, the system will offer you two ways of licensing it. You can either go for a perpetual license, which means it's a one-time investment, you own the license, the functionality will be always there. Or you can go a subscription-based approach where you can use the Lawo credits. It's a generic currency which you can use for all functionality that we offer in the Home Apps environment. And then the system will use credits instead of a perpetual dedicated license to run the shuffler. So it's a lot of commercial flexibility built in, a lot of functionality, and we are happy to have that great addition in our Home Apps portfolio as well, enriching the options you have when it comes to audio processing, audio matrix, audio shuffling, and those kind of things. If you want to see more information, check out the Lawo website. It's lawo.com. Thank you for watching.